Hello, welcome in this video. As this is going to be Hello World app in React.js, and I have created a empty folder right here on my desktop, and I'm going to open up my terminal in this CMD or command prompt, whatever you call this thing. Uh, and here you just have to hit a command npx create a React app, and you just name it whatever you would like to name. I'm going to name it my app. Now it will create your app automatically here in this folder, and first time it will take some time to create this app. Be patient as it will done. I will get back to you here. First time it will take a lot of time to resolve these things, and once it's done, you can run this app in nanoseconds. The React hot reload is very much fast, and you will never face anything. Now we just have to cd into my app directory, and here you can see these are the files. Now for running this app on the browser, we just have to hit a command npm start. This will start our browser. Here you can see in the port 3000 localhost 3000, our app is running. Just take a time to complete this compilation process, and here our um, demo template is running. This is the default page, comes with the React logo in dummy app, and let me just show you these stuff in coding side. And for the coding, we just have to open up VS Code in our this folder. Here my VS Code is running. There is another project I was working on. We just have to open up this project. Just drag and drop here, and it will be open in the VS Code. So open the SRS folder or source folder here in the app.js. This is thing we are going to remove from right here, and as we are going to create a hello world app. Here I am going to put hello world in h1. Once I'm going to save this, the result will be reflected on the browser side. And let's see. As you can see, the hello world app is right just there. No matter whatever you put here in the coding, that will be reflected in right in front of you. Let's just copy this thing. I'm going to put here hello world. This is for the YouTube. Once I save this, the changing will be reflected on the browser. You can see the hot reload of React.js. This is amazing. So this is the Hello World app in a React.js, and see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching this.